Beermaster, just doing a follow-up on my video over a year ago how to get moss off your roof. We used a product called Wet and Forget, and you can see it's a year and it's looking good. Year after now, I'm starting to notice some new ones coming up here and there, and over here in the shaded area, a couple spots. So looks like that product worked pretty good. Nothing over here for at least a year plus. Looks really good. And you can see the neighbor's roof over here. He said he put some on, and since, which I showed in my previous video, see a little bit coming right in that area. I don't know what that's about. I don't think he really put it on properly, but it looks better than it was. And the third roof back there where they didn't do anything, I'm trying to zoom in on it, they have heavy moss. It's real bad. It's definitely causing damage to those shingles. So I highly recommend being proactive, and proof is in the pudding. Roof looks real good. Next spring, maybe we'll give it another treatment. A lot of trees around here, so that is why it's, you know, the moss is really growing here. A lot of trees down at the Jersey Shore. And it's been a very moist year and looking good. There's that little spot. Joe Beermaster.